going outside now to enjoy my animals as they are left
Can you see a way out of the mess I'm in? And the bills keep getting higher. All I need is a match and a gallon of gas. God, I'm getting tired. Gonna set this house on fire.
Hi, babies. What? Do we have a lot of repair work?
I've been thinking about going off the deep end. My man can't get no overtime, and
Oh,
the
my
baby
God,
ain't been
Izzy.
sleeping. All I need is a washing machine. These ends if mine ain't
Yeah,
paying.
it's her.
I'm about to